Hi, good morning, or maybe good evening, depending on when you're listening. Welcome back to the English Podcast channel. My name is Honey, and today I just want to sit down with you, relax, and share something very simple: my daily routine. It might sound ordinary, but actually, talking about your daily life in English is one of the best ways to improve. So while you listen, you can also think about your own day. All right, let's start from the beginning. Morning, waking up. So every day, I usually wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. Honestly, sometimes I don't want to wake up. Do you feel the same? When my alarm rings, I often think, just 5 more minutes. But you know what happens, right? 5 minutes becomes 10, and then I feel rushed. So these days, I try to be a bit more disciplined. I turn off my alarm, sit up slowly, and take a deep breath. I don't jump out of bed immediately. I like to stretch a little, move my arms, maybe smile a bit, even if I'm still sleepy. Then I get up and go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. Cold water really helps me wake up. It feels fresh, like starting a new day. Morning routine, getting ready. After that, I go to the kitchen. The first thing I do, I drink a glass of water. I think it's very important. It helps your body wake up. Then I make a simple breakfast. Nothing fancy. Maybe toast and eggs, or sometimes just a banana and coffee. Ugh, I love coffee. Do you drink coffee in the morning? While I eat, I usually sit quietly. I don't like to rush my breakfast. I think it's a peaceful moment before the busy day starts. Sometimes I check my phone, maybe read a few messages or scroll a little, but I try not to spend too much time on it. Then I get dressed. I choose something comfortable, not too complicated. Before I leave, I always check phone, wallet, keys, because if I forget something, oh no, my whole day feels wrong. Going to work. I usually leave the house around 7:30. The air in the morning feels different, fresh, a little cool, and calm. On my way to work, I sometimes listen to music or a podcast, something relaxing. Sometimes I just look outside and think about my day. I ask myself, what do I need to do today? Is it going to be busy? And sometimes I just enjoy the silence. At work. I arrive at work around 8 o'clock. First, I say hello to my coworkers. Good morning. Simple, but it feels nice. Then I start working. Some days are busy, very busy. Other days are slower. I usually check emails first, reply to messages, and make a plan for the day. I like making a to-do list. It helps me feel organized. Do you make a to-do list? Sometimes when I finish a task, I feel proud, even if it's something small. But of course, not everything is easy. Sometimes I feel tired or a little stressed. When that happens, I take a short break, maybe drink water, or just close my eyes for a moment. Lunchtime. Around 12 o'clock, it's lunchtime. Finally, a break. I usually eat with my coworkers, or sometimes alone, depending on how I feel. If the want to relax quietly, I eat alone. If I want to chat, I sit with others. We talk about simple things: food, weekend plans, funny stories. Nothing serious. After eating, I like to walk a little, just 5 or 10 minutes. It helps me feel fresh again. Afternoon work. In the afternoon, I often feel a bit sleepy. Do you feel sleepy after lunch? It's very normal. So I try to stay focused. I drink more water, sometimes another coffee. I continue working, finishing tasks, checking details. By around 4:30 or 5 o'clock, I start to feel like, okay, I'm ready to go home now. Going home. When the leave work, I feel relaxed. It's like my mind says, good job today, you the day. With you gut, go straight home. The evening feels different with the morning. More calm, more copy. Winter. When the good home, I change into comfortable clothes. That feeling is the best, right? I cook. Or soup. Sometimes I'm tired, so I jorder food. We honest, actually of that the just sit it. Relax time, the I might music, or to friends, s'about you my day. What went tomorrow to what night routine? Around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and prepare for sleep. Sometimes I read a little, something light and easy. I don't like using my phone too much before sleeping. It makes my mind busy. Then I lie down, close my eyes, and slowly relax my body. I take a deep breath and I think, today is done. Tomorrow is a new day. Going to sleep. Usually I fall asleep around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Not too late, because I want to wake up feeling fresh again. Sleep is very important, really. Closing thoughts. So, that's my daily routine. It's simple, maybe even a little boring, but it's real. And you know what? That's the best way to learn English. Talk about your real life. So now, I have a question for you. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? Do you like your daily routine? Try to answer, even in simple English. Thank you for listening. Take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you again soon. Good night, or have a wonderful day.